You can't do this. No. You okay? Yeah. But these wheels are tying me up. Monster trucks just like to go over cars. Monster trucks like to go on cars, Grandma.
That's what they do.
That what to do. That what to do. Cars are trying to stop my own guy.
How could they stop him? He's so big and they're so little.
Mama, but a race car flipped him over.
It did. How?
Like this. It can hit his skin, but then he flips over.
Is he mad now?
No, he's still happy, but he's going to get them all right.
Oh, they're sorry now.
But a monster truck doesn't care.
Nope, he doesn't care. He's gonna crush them.
Yeah, he crushed.
He's a crusher. Oh, those poor guys, they must be so scared. They can't get away from him because he's so big. Poor Yellow. Oh.
And poor Blue.
Poor Blue.
Poor Blues. A yellow guy didn't flip over because he didn't get close at a monster truck.
Oh, he was hiding?
The armor close, but he doesn't care.
Remember when you asked Grandma if there were monsters? Remember that?
Yeah, monster truck.
Yes, maybe there are monsters. Monster trucks. Looks like it. They're crushers.
Monsters are not crushers.
No, monster trucks are. There's no real monsters, but there's monster trucks. Monster trucks.
But monster trucks are not scary.
Only to little cars. I think those little trucks are scared right now.
Huh?
I think those little trucks are scared right now. Don't you?
No, I'm being it. I'm being a monster truck, right?
Yes, kind of. You're pretending you're the monster truck.
Graham, you be a car.
I don't want to be a car. That monster truck get me every time.
But Grandma, you ever try to squash?
Nobody can squash a monster truck.
But Grandma, you have to hit his skin like this.
And that'll save me?
Yeah, that will save him, and he'll flip over.
What if he doesn't flip? Then what do I do?
He's heading for your cars.
What?
Now try and get that guy.
Help! Help! Save me!
No, stop! No, you can't yell, unless he'll yell back at you.
I don't care. He can yell if he wants to. I want to get out of here.
Yeah!
Help! Aunt Bev, please help me.
But Grandma, she's gone.
I know, then who will help me now?
But Grandma, be scared. It's just me.
Oh, it's just you. Then I'm not scared.
Well, I'm being a monster truck.
Okay, then I feel pretty good then.
In a monster truck, it's nice. No, he just wants to do this one more crush.
What?
This one more
One
crush.
more? Oh no.
He only going to crush one.
Who? Nobody wants to get crushed.
Then we just have to line them up. We just have to line them up.